The Stylus One is a compact camera specifically designed to allow a serious yet comfortable viewfinder-based shooting form, like that of an SLR. The camera fits nicely in your hand and has a grip designed to provide stress-free comfort and optimal control. It gives you the stability you need for super sharp 300mm telephoto shots. The electronic viewfinder offers class-leading magnification and is positioned directly above the optical axis, just like the viewfinder on an SLR. It provides an authentic shooting experience. Even with your eye to the electronic viewfinder, you're still in full intuitive control of all essential shooting parameters. Take on a professional shooting form and let your creative genius run free. Olympus Stylus One.